I just want to say that I have attended a lot like online sessions before just to upgrade myself. And I teach classes 9 to 12. So Google Forms, and like I was adept with this platform before, but this has been such a enriching experience. Like I always was looking forward to my 5:30 classes, and I used to always wanted, like I was the quiet one in the class, so I always like every day I used to think today I'll ask a question, but that opportunity I never used to get because the explanations were like on point, and I never needed an explanation because once the explanation was done, and it was crystal clear to me. So yes, I am like very happy that I was able to be a part of this course, and I look forward to upgrade myself further. It was a very enriching experience. Thank you, ma'am. So